Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I will be trying these chameleon powders by Let's Resin. So these are the colors. So these come in set of 5 colors. So I have used these chameleon flakes on smaller scale, but this time I am going a little bigger. So this set also comes with a soft brush, so you can easily apply onto the mold. So with the help of this brush, as you can see, it's really soft, so it's not going to be harsh on the mold. So the color that I will be using is this one. It has such a beautiful yellow, green and pink shade. So this is a balloon dog mold and I was really excited to try this one. Before I bought the balloon dog mold, it was on the smaller size. You can see the one that is next to this one. It's really small, but then I found this bigger one. So for this mold, I know that I will be needing a lot of chameleon flakes. So I have poured some of the chameleon flakes into the mold directly, and now I will be rubbing it into the mold with the help of this soft brush. So I will be trying my best because this is actually a really deep mold. So I will try my best to reach all the corners. I will be taking my time to apply the chameleon flakes to the balloon dog. I am actually really excited to try this one because before I wanted to make a balloon dog, but I couldn't find the mold. And once I tried to make the mold myself and I ordered a balloon dog and it was really a big size. So I just dropped the idea because it would need a lot of silicone. So that's why I just avoided it. So this is actually a medium size and there is another bigger size than this one. But I think this is a good size. So meanwhile, I'm just trying really hard to put the chameleon flake on all sides of the mold. So I'm applying the chameleon flake into the mold and you just enjoy the process. I have tried my best to put the chameleon flakes all around the mold, so fingers crossed now. And for the epoxy resin, I will be using this black resin. This is a ready-made black resin by Let's Resin. So you don't have to mix any pigment. You just mix, pour. It's simple 1-to-1, easy and fun. So I have mixed my resin here, taking my time. So you have to mix around 4 to 5 minutes. And now I will be pouring it into the mold. So my mold is filled up now and I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. This is the next day and I'm ready to demold. So I had some leftover resin, black resin, and I did some extra filling up onto the molds. So before demolding this big balloon dog, I will be demolding the little ones that I made. So this is the little one. Before that, I want to show you that I made this mold myself. So I will link a video above here if you like to see. This is a crystal that I turned into a holographic one. I made the mold myself. And now I will be demolding the tiny one. So this one gave me a really hard time while demolding. So there is a tip that you can use a soapy water to put into your mold and then the demolding is easy. But I do use the water if it's really hard to demold. So this took me some time. So I just moved it to the side and now I will be demolding the bigger one. So let's see it comes out easily. So the back side is really easy to demold, but the front side was giving me problem and it was the same into the smaller one. So I did struggle a bit to do the demolding. And after a lot of fight, I was able to demold the balloon dog. Finally, it's out of the mold and I'm really happy how this looks like, and I have applied the mica powder throughout the mold and I was really happy about it. One thing that I didn't like was this gap you can see in between the legs. So I had a resin in between there, so I might to remove that one. I will see that. So let's fight with the smaller one again. So it's going to be the same problem. So after a little bit of struggle, it's out of the mold and here we go. This is the smaller one. So it's really cute. I applied a little bit of different chameleon powder into the smaller mold. So I did had some problem on the nose area of the bigger balloon dog. So no problem. I will be doing something to it. So for the smaller one, I will be removing this extra resin between the legs because the resin is still soft. So here we go, it's done now, and I will be trying to remove this one, but I think this is thick and it might need some power tools. So it's actually a really thick resin in between, so I think I will leave it like this, but next time I might try to avoid it. And for the missing nose, I will be mixing this air dry clay and then I will be making a nose for this balloon dog. So I sculpted the nose and then I applied some chameleon flakes. So this was the final step, and let's see how the balloon dogs look like. So this is the final look on the balloon dogs and I'm just loving them, how they look like. The chameleon flakes are amazing and you can see how vibrant they are, and they have been applied equally to all sides. So that's it for today, and I will link everything in my description if you like to treat yourself. So please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.